Hi friends, in this episode we will see about the gaseous nitrogen production. Gaseous nitrogen production is by means of pressure swing adsorption PSCA. The PSCA tower is filled with carbon molecular CMS that will normally absorb the oxygen, CO2 and moisture. Pure nitrogen will come out of the tower. The nitrogen produced by means of air admission of 3.5 normal meter cube air required, and you will get the product 1 nm cube purity of nitrogen. The nitrogen purity will be around 99.95 to 99.99%. You can get oxygen up to less than 10 ppm, and the dew point also will be around minus 40 to minus 80 degrees centigrade. And this carbon molecular sieve life will be around 10 years. This plant contains normally a compressor. The compressed air will go to the instrument air dryer where the moisture will get removed. That is normally done by the heatless dryer. Nowadays the pressure swing adsorption tower is coming with incorporated heatless dryer. So the compressed discharge air after cooling is coming to the heatless dryer, and the air is passed to the service tower between 5 to 6 bar. And the carbon molecule, which is at the molecular shape of oxygen, only absorb the oxygen and the moisture and CO2. The nitrogen, which will exit as a pure nitrogen, and you will get the purity around 99.99%. And the standby tower is in regeneration or in empty condition. When the cycle, which is normally for 5 minutes, after the 5th minute, both the inlet and outlet valve from the service will be closed, and outlet valve will be directed to the standby tower, and the pressure is getting equalized. That's why it's called pressure swing adsorption. Previously, the plant is having only one type of equalization at the top. Now it is provided at three sides: top, middle, and bottom. First top and middle, then bottom will be done with a 10-second gap. So the purity will be increased. So to get more purity, the packing materials quantity also will be increased. The CMS which is packed inside the tower quantity is more, and it is equalized with three sides, top, middle, and bottom. Then you will get purity compared to the liquid nitrogen. So 99.99 up to less than 10 ppm oxygen you will get in pressure swing adsorption itself. And the CMS life itself is 10 years, so it is cheap and best also. When you require gaseous nitrogen, you will get the pressure swing adsorption nitrogen plant, and you can use it collecting the nitrogen gas in the nitrogen buffer cell. Next method is membrane technology. This membrane technology you will get purity only up to 99.95% only, but you can go up to 16 bar. Compared to this pressure swing adsorption, you can go more pressure in this membrane technology. This is very cheap. Cost saving. It is low. Insertion cost also very less. Running cost also very less. Maintenance cost also very less. And it is very suitable for offshore platform, plants, and marine system. This membrane is like a tubular type arrangement, and this membrane permeability will admit only oxygen and water vapor that will pass through the permeable membrane, and the nitrogen which is remixed in the tube will come out as a pure nitrogen at a purity of 99.95%. Normally this type of plant is used in the offshore platforms and marine. So this is very cheap, and if you are normal for purging, if you are required 99.95%, then you can use it as a best option. And another method is liquid nitrogen, which you can see in the next episode. And in reverse step, the oxygen generator is quite opposite to the nitrogen production. The PSA processing oxygen generation is used by the zeolite molecular sieve instead of carbon molecular sieve, which is used to absorb oxygen and pure nitrogen is coming out. Here the zeolite molecular sieve which will absorb nitrogen and pure oxygen will come out. But here the requirement of air inlet is very more compared to nitrogen production. That is because of the nitrogen percentage in volume percentage in air is more than oxygen. So if you admit 5 normal meter cube of air, you will get only 1 nm cube normal meter cube of oxygen only. In this method, the tower is packed with zeolite molecular sieve, same like this one. The processing adsorption is used as, instead of CMS, ZMS is used, and you will get pure oxygen and nitrogen will be entered out. Same like the pressure equalization will be done by top, middle and bottom. And another type also is there, that is a low pressure system, vacuum sink adsorption for oxygen production. Same zeolite molecular sieve will be packed inside the tower, whereas a small blower will be used to produce the oxygen in this tower. In this vacuum sink adsorption is nothing but low pressure air is passed through the tower and nitrogen is absorbed in the tower and oxygen will come out. After 5 minutes cycle, the blower will rotate in reverse and it will suck the nitrogen absorbed in the zeolite molecular sieve. So vacuum is produced in the bed. And next cycle after 60 minutes, after 5 minutes, 1 hour venting, again the pressure will go to the service mode and the same oxygen will be supplied through, air will be supplied through the blower and your production will be there. Here there are 2 towers are required, but whereas in this vacuum sink adsorption only 1 tower is enough and it is a low pressure system. You can use for marine system for fish and a marine system people are using it, vacuum sink adsorption. Hope you might have understand the nitrogen production, gaseous nitrogen production in the industries. We will see about the liquid nitrogen production in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, share, put your like. Thank you very much.